think it is?
Yep.
Jeez, is it the first one or is this the second one?
This is the first one. It showed up. I was leaving Wellington and I got tracking that it showed up to the post office. So I turned around and I went back.
Is that your Diff now?
Yeah, it should be. Hopefully.
One or two?
One. Just answered that. Yeah.
Things all nice and shiny.
Yep, so that'll mount my diff in there. And then all the other things will bolt up and go from there.
That's exciting.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome.
You got a bunch of pieces in that box.
Yep. It's all diff mount kit. Best one built diff mount kit. It was a battle to get here, but we got it. Yeah.
Oh, is this guys? Yeah, it is. Woo!
Keep on fabbing, it says Sean. Keep on fabbing. The lady at the post office was very angry about that box, Sean.
Yeah, here she bitches about all the little heavy boxes, or any box that's heavy.
Yeah, that one in particular though was really heavy.
It was deceiving.
No, it says heavy on it. It
I
wasn't
know,
deceiving.
but it's a little box.
Yeah.
35 pounds and over.
Dang.
What is the actual weight on it? Oh, 36.
36. Oh, that's not even
My
mine.
lord. I mean,
Dang,
come
bro,
on.
look at these bolts. These things are huge.
Yeah.
36
These things are worth
My
like,
thir- my
they hold like
3-year-old
5,000
is 36.
horsepower.
Look at that holding horsepower.
I know, it's just a joke.
Little board. Look at all these things in this one place. I dig it. Imagine that goes in there somewhere.
Pieces that have to do
Pieces
with
to the puzzle,
installing it.
yep. Pieces to the puzzle.
That's for Sean to figure out.
Well, we have to figure out and tell Sean to weld, not for Sean to figure out.
I know, he's the welder. He's the welder.
Get all welded in there. Nice little beauty plate. It's freaking rad. So sick. So sick.
All the little things to make it look good and function.
Yo. Function and form.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. It's super awesome.
Such a cool kit.
Yeah.
Just order it. And with some knowledge, you can all-wheel drive your own car.
I mean, this is a Zeus.
I gotta put it all back in the box so it doesn't get messed up. So it gets put in.
Which will be
Just doing a little mock-up right now, trying to see what's up.
yeah. Are those two holes supposed to be like these two holes or something?
I think that's the other side. I think you had it that first time you had it up there. Yeah, like that.
Or are they these two front holes?
That's what it is.
So I need to remove my line. My line's in the way. And then yeah, it bolts onto the end caps. Onto the end cap. Right there.
But don't bolt.
No,
Just
you
weld.
welds.
Yep.
Yeah, you weld on the end cap. And then, yep. So these will bolt in here, and then weld from there. Pretty rad.
That's tight.
Probably best to bolt this in first.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold it up, Sharpie, and cut the middle piece so I can bolt it in. Looks like it's
Oh,
like,
you gotta cut this a
yeah,
little
like
bit?
a ½ inch on each side of the arrow in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Because there's like an arrow here in the middle, and it's like a ½ inch on each side.
You don't even have to cut it.
No, you just
Hammer it.
hammer it.
Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Everyone
Well,
get
they
the
made a little plate
earplugs.
thing for the diff though. They want it all moved up. They
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
what
look.
that stuff is.
Yeah, that's like to plate in this part that you cut out.
Yep. They want me to cut a lot.
I think this goes in. They're having you cut out that front stuff to push this up to there.
To push the diff up high, so it's straight axle.
So I want you to cut this and up here. Is that what I'm hearing?
That's what I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. They,
So, like, the bottom
you
of this-
said inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll go on this one Bill's YouTube channel and check it out too. Make sure I get it right. Cool. Cool.
This is sweet though, dude.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You're about to be all-wheel driving.
It's really sick. Yeah.
It is. This is a sweet kit, dude. I like this.
I do too.
Because what's the fastest all-wheel drive CRX right now?
It's probably that one in Florida, but I don't know. The one Emilio was looking at in Florida. I don't remember his name. It's a great one. It's case lock. Man, that is too cool. I am super excited about all this. I gotta get that on later today, but first, I'm gonna put some fuel rail and injectors in that one. I got a little fuel rail kit for that. So then I'm gonna do that, and then I need my seals still for these. They haven't shown up yet. So once I get my seals, I'll get back to those. So we'll get that done, and then we'll move on to whatever it is next they point me to. But we are itching to get onto this CRX, man. Diff mount's here. Let's make this boy all-wheel drive. We're gonna have to push Ponchy's wagon all the way over here in the snow so I can pull the diff out, and then I gotta get that, and then get the viscous mounted and get the drive shaft in here and just get rolling. Just gonna roll, you know. We just gotta roll. It's gonna be sick. Yep. This is just a fuel rail kit. You can just buy these. It comes with a fuel rail, a fuel pressure regulator, fuel pressure gauge, and lines and everything. So you just pull all your stock stuff up. It's got this fitting here, usually a AN6. It's just a thread in. I use an 18 if you don't have an AN, so you can get in here, right here in deep, because it's kind of difficult to get into that little spot with an AN wrench. So use an 18, it'll make life easy. It comes with that, and then this just threads on. So you got your lines, it comes with the lines, and then you got your rail and your pressure regulator and the gauge over on the end, and it's got the fuel return line as well. So all that's there, just gotta hook everything up and get rolling.
Sure is a nice kit. BWR.
BWR?
It's like a nice big fuel rail.
Yeah, BWR makes a lot of nice stuff. We get their torque mounts as well.
Torque mounts?
Yeah, we get their billet solid torque mounts down here.
Okay. Nice. Nice and shiny.
Yeah. Now we need a pressure wrench cord though.
Alright.
Just this one.
It's always good to make sure everything's tight before you put it on so you don't forget. 'Cause I'm a forgetful person and I gotta realize stuff like that.
Sometimes it happens. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.